Hello guys. If you recently got a Philips Sonicare 5300 toothbrush and are wondering how to use it correctly for the best brushing experience, do not worry because the process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people turn on the Philips Sonicare 5300 toothbrush but are unsure about brushing modes, while other times they wonder if they are using the pressure or timer features properly. Since the Philips Sonicare 5300 toothbrush includes smart brushing features designed to improve daily cleaning, learning the correct routine can make everything feel smoother from the beginning. The good part is that once you understand the basics, using the Philips Sonicare 5300 toothbrush becomes quick and simple every day. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to use a Philips Sonicare 5300 toothbrush. Try these. Step 1. Attach the brush head to the Philips Sonicare 5300 toothbrush before starting your brushing session. Step 2. Add toothpaste to the Philips Sonicare 5300 toothbrush and lightly wet the brush head if preferred. Step 3. Turn on the Philips Sonicare 5300 toothbrush and choose a brushing setting if available. Step 4. Move the Philips Sonicare 5300 toothbrush gently across different areas of your teeth without pressing too hard. Step 5. Let the timer on the Philips Sonicare 5300 toothbrush guide brushing time for each section. Step 6. Rinse the Philips Sonicare 5300 toothbrush after use and store it safely for the next session.